Hey y'all, I'm a newbie. I'm still trying to get a hold of and just understand everything. And I know it's because it's new and it's just incredible at the same time, just learning about how people are becoming wealthy with something that's such a, like, I guess, a simple concept, but yet I'm still trying to just grasp it. And so what is the recommendations, like, because I bought $50 of Bitcoin maybe 3 months ago, something like that. And so I lost it. So because I was just trying to gamble with a small amount. So I'm just trying to figure out, all right, what steps do I need to take in order to build?
How did you lose it first? Let me ask you that. How did you lose it?
I bought it off of Robinhood. And then I checked it, and I guess Bitcoin went down. I don't know, it was volatile or something like that. I don't know, but I wind up losing the money.
But did you keep it there? That's what I mean.
Hey, Jack.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask.
You keep it there, or did you try to cash it out?
I didn't cash it out.
So King Bless, we would love to hear from you, brother. This is why we got you.
So the way I'm understanding it is like you put 50 in, and let's say it's at $20 now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So yeah, the price of Bitcoin in regards to fiat currency did go down. So I mean, that's just the regular market. It goes up, it goes down. Right now, people are listening to Elon Musk. The market's super irrational. But this is where I talk about like the value of it. If you look at the value, not to get super technical, but it's something called Taproot coming out in November that's going to make Bitcoin more efficient. But everyone has to signal for this upgrade essentially on the network. The miners, they all have to signal to say, yes, we agree to operate this, or no, we're going to do our own thing. So the community knows, this is how we get consensus. The whole community knows, like, all right, everybody's going to upgrade together, or, oh no, we might have a problem. Half of the people saying they're not going to upgrade. Right now, this just happened, I think yesterday or early today or something, day before. It was signal. Everyone accepted the signal. So the upgrade is going to happen. Everyone is excited. Bitcoins are going to become more efficient and even have more somewhat privacy features. I say all this because when you're looking at the actual project, the value literally yesterday or today just got better, but you're not seeing that reflected in the price because the price based in fiat has nothing to do with Bitcoin and crypto. 1 Bitcoin equals 1 Bitcoin. There will only ever be 21 million ever mined. And right now, like 3 to 4 million of those have been lost. So we're sitting at about 14 million total, with just maybe 3 more million left to get. So what I'm saying is that the value keeps increasing. This is a scarce asset like gold. The value keeps increasing. It's just that the price in fiat keeps flipping because the dollar is volatile, not the Bitcoin. 1 Bitcoin is 1 Bitcoin. Dollars are volatile, which is why I always like to bring up gas price. Whenever people say Bitcoin is this, that, and the other, I'm like gas literally 3 months ago in LA was 3 months ago, or excuse me, three or 4 months ago in LA, gas was $3 and now it's $6. That is very volatile to me. So what I would say to you is that as far as if you're looking to invest long-term, don't worry, dollar cost average into it, which means every week, maybe you buy $5 worth. Every month, maybe you buy $20 worth. But do that no matter what the price is. And I will guarantee you after like a year or 2 years and stuff, you'll be, oh, wait, what? I have how much in this? And when you actually looked at how much you put in, it would be a drop in the bucket. Like from the stimulus checks, the pandemic relief, the first one, I think when it was all said and done, that $1,200 check, if you were putting in Bitcoin, it was worth like, I think $12,000, $13,000 after the first
$13,000.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's just one of those things where right now, we used to tell people if you're investing long-term, do not look at the price. It will make you sick. We used to tell people that all the time. It's like, unless you're a trader, unless you actively want to get in the weeds and I'm trading this today, I'm trading this tomorrow, and you got your game plan. Because I tell people trading is a full-time job. People want it to be part-time. It's a full-time job if you really want to know what you're doing. But if you're getting that much into the weeds and you're making those moves, which we encourage people to do longer term, because you are becoming your own bank. And this is how people get bit with that Bitcoin bug, where at first it's just, hey, I'm just trying to catch a quick play, make some money. Then I was like, all right, usually it's I lost money. That's almost how it always happens for everyone. I come in to make some money. I lost money. Now I'm stuck in the market. Then you learn while you're stuck, and then you start learning. You're like, oh, Then next thing you know, you're doing it full time, and then you're retiring from your job like the Oracle did. Like, this is what I do. Like, so that is literally the process of it, which is even they said they lost $20 or $3. Like I said it too. Like, we ran it all the way up. I started in 2016 when Bitcoin was like $400, and we ran it up to almost 20,000, 19,800. And the next 2 years we were in a dip. So I've experienced it at a very high level myself. I get it. But that's like the cost of tuition. So usually this is a time to keep learning. The project's great as far as Bitcoin goes. So I would just say dollar cost average, $5 a week. Keep learning about other projects. Keep learning about Bitcoin. And then like slowly you'll feel more comfortable and find your way. Like, okay, I'm starting to get some of this stuff.
Okay.
One thing I say real quick is the way I look at it is like you look at that one day, if you on Cash App or any one of those Coinbase, you look at the day and it shows you the dip. You look at the month, it shows that dip ain't that bad. Then it shows you look at the year, that joint's been going up that whole year.
Right.
And you look
The whole
all
time.
When you start zooming out.
Yeah, every time
When in doubt, zoom out.
like, okay.
There you go.